How to log in White Oak Mutual Fund account. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for White Oak Mutual Fund account login. Now, tap on the very first link you see there and you will be further led to the official webpage of White Oak Mutual Fund. On the right side of your screen, you will see the login portal. Go ahead and enter your PAN and tap on Proceed. If the PAN number you entered is correct, you will be prompted to enter your password. So, go ahead and enter your password, and now, if your login details that you entered are correct, then you will be successfully logged in to White Oak Mutual Fund account. So, this is how you can log in to White Oak Mutual Fund account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.